And I think this conversation it's very important to have. But you know me, I'm a very optimistic person, di ba? There's a silver lining here in that for years we've been hearing how much trust in media has eroded. Hindi na importante ang mainstream, puro vloggers na lang, puro content creators na lang. And yet, pag nag-misstep ang media, ang mainstream media personality, ang expectation namin sa inyo, dapat ethical kayo, di ba? Ang laki ng tiwala namin sa inyo. And sometimes I would like to ask, like, malaki ba talaga yung tiwala nyo? Apparently, yes. Because for them to be disappointed in us, that means they had expectations of us, right? And that's a good thing. The fact is, it's good to have this discourse, but this conversation has been, sabi mo nga sa intro, this has been going on for a long time. We've been trying to figure out how to get the trust back from our audiences, but this shows us na, may expectation pa yung audience natin. Special pa rin ang journalist, di ba?